In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sign in, create your first project, add and organize tasks, assign responsibilities, and customize your workspace so it fits the way you and your team like to work. To begin, open your browser and head to the Asana login page. If you're brand new to the platform, choose the option to create an account and follow the setup instructions on the screen. If you already have an account, simply sign in using your usual login method. Enter your email address, continue to the password screen, and complete the sign-in process. Some organizations may use single sign-on, so if that applies to you, just follow the prompts until you arrive at your Asana home dashboard. Once you're inside the workspace, it's time to create your first project. Click the New Project button to begin. Asana gives you the option to start with a ready-made template or build a project completely from scratch. Templates are useful for common workflows like marketing campaigns, onboarding processes, or product launches because they already include a basic structure. If you prefer complete flexibility, choose a blank project instead. Next, give your project a clear and descriptive name so everyone involved immediately understands its purpose. After that, continue to the project layout selection. Asana offers several different project views depending on how you prefer to manage work. The list view works well for detailed task tracking, the board view provides a visual Kanban-style workflow, and the timeline view helps you organize work across schedules and deadlines. Choose the layout that best matches your workflow, knowing you can always switch views later if needed. Inside the project, start creating tasks by clicking Add Task. Give each task a short and action-focused title so it's easy to understand at a glance. Once the task is created, open the Task Details panel to add more structure. Assign the task to a specific teammate, set a due date, and create subtasks when larger assignments need to be broken down into smaller steps. Organizing tasks this way helps improve accountability and keeps project progress easier to track. To manage your personal workload across multiple projects, use the My Tasks section. This area gathers all tasks assigned to you into one organized view, making it easier to prioritize work and stay focused throughout the day. Before wrapping up, take a moment to explore the interface and become familiar with the sidebar, navigation tools, and project settings. Then open the Customize panel inside your project to unlock additional features like custom fields, automation rules, and forms that help standardize incoming requests and streamline your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.